welcome to the highlights of Match 3 of the Pakistan Junior League. It's Rawalpindi Raiders and Gwadar Sharks appearing for the first time.
Gets it top edge, overslip for a boundary. That's the first one. Wild swing at that, saw the width, eyes lit up. That's a good shot. Just coming down, meeting the ball early. May not get 4. He does. Good effort there though, but boundary goes onto the scoreboard. Hasn't got all of it, but still might go to the boundary, and it does. That's a good shot again. That's a beautiful shot. Back foot punch, standing tall, riding the bounce.
Oh, bold. Just walked straight across, tried to just work it onto the length side for a single, and they deserved that. Pulled away. This may get in the gap. It's good timing. He is thinking, I need a boundary, and why not reverse sweep? It's a clever shot. There is 2 fielders up on the offside, and it's well played in the 50 up. Goes normal sweep. This is going straight to the fielder, out. Tried to get it a little bit finer, and another wicket. Pressure was building.
An excellent shot there, piercing the gap on the offside. Eklund gets his first boundary.
Stumped. Little bit of turn away from the right-hander. It's a different pitch. That in the gap and cut nicely for 4. And that's a beautiful stroke. Edged and gone. So the plan has worked. The return of a seamer, that of Usman, has brought another wicket. That he does. Good use of the feet. In the gap, 4 runs. And that's brilliant thinking by the left-hander.
He's gone big. Will he clear the field? Yes, he does. Maximum achieved out of that. No ball, first 6 of the game. Yeah, he read that. That slow one didn't work. Has gone for a maximum at mid-wicket region, completing 18 overs, 123 for 4. Hit it straight. That's the safest zone. You never find fielders there.
Yeah, this one is in the slot.
That's well done. Really well done. He's surely saved an extra run there. Oh, is he gone? He's actually got that. Oh, that wasn't necessary. That really wasn't necessary. Just in the heat of the moment, the bowler just tries to aim at the non-strikers. He knows what he's done is wrong. Yeah, full toss. They probably will come back for the second to get that 150 on board. Yes, they do, and they complete that. So 150 in 20 overs from Gwadar Sharks. They'll be pretty happy after being asked to bat first, having that score on the board. And we surely have a game on our hands.
Hint of a way swing, but Habibullah just caressed it through that cover point region. First 4 of the innings.
Captain Habibullah off strike.
Edged. Just past the fielder in that slip cordon. Missed everything. Good pace on this delivery. Went past the batter and the wicketkeeper. Or buys. Short ball. But Ishaq was ready for it. And he's bowled him. So after the short pitch delivery, Ismail has gone for the fuller one. just beats the fielder in that deep third. That's close, that's given. Edged. That's another one. It's all happening quickly here for the Sharks. Slapped through the offside. So this is a response from Wahaj.
Oh, yes. You don't like that sound if you're a batter. He's gone right through his defenses. He's chopped it onto the stumps. That's the end of another wicket. Rawalpindi Raiders are completely in all sort of problems. 2 wickets in the over.
Powered down the ground to long off and taken. Couldn't get it up and over. Not sure if you're picking up this celebration. It is like an Imran Tahir celebration. The Royals who won it. This is just chipped and we've got enough of it. He just came off the boundary cushioning, and probably if it had just stayed still, that was another chance. In the air. Should be taken. It's gone a long way up. Oh, again misjudged and bounces away for 4. Now, whether that went into the floodlights. Oh, nicked. Big nick. You could hear it given as well. This one just goes the other way, grips into the surface. It's a good catch. This one is hit well. Took the strike. Last ball of the over. Finish it off with a maximum of 6. We're 14 overs down, 82 for 7.
That's gone through everyone. Should be 4. We'll wait to see the signal from the umpire. Buys. He goes and doesn't make contact, so straight away wicket for Benkenstein. Skyer. Up, and into the hands. Length outside the off stump. Fielder comes in, completes the catch. Gets the last wicket and produces a win, the first for the Gwadar Sharks in this Pakistan Junior League. It's an emphatic one.